So guys, I would like to publicly apologize to my wife for marrying another wife in her dreams. I would have realized that it's gonna really hurt her feelings, and I didn't have to do such a thing in her dreams. And also I would like to apologize to my wife about yesterday when I called her and asked her if she wants anything while on my way back home, and she said she doesn't want anything. I would have realized that even though she said she doesn't want anything, let me get her something on the way. So I'm really sorry, my love.